Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Avid Media Composer for smooth timeline playback. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Avid Media Composer for smooth timeline playback, begin by opening the application. Create a new project or open an existing one as needed. Navigate to the format settings in the project settings. Select the appropriate resolution and frame rate that matches your footage. Next, go to the playback settings in the same window. Ensure that Use Software Only is unchecked to enable hardware acceleration if available. Set the video playback quality to best for optimal viewing. Now, close the project settings window and head to your sequence. In the timeline, right-click on the sequence and select Sequence Settings. Make sure the render settings are configured to automatically create previews. To further enhance playback, adjust the video cache settings. Go to the Media Cache tab in the Settings menu. Increase the cache size to allow more files to be stored for playback. Next, navigate to the bin settings. Set Bin Display to show video thumbnails for easier navigation. To optimize your media files, open the Media tool from the File menu. Select the media drives and projects you want to include. Once your media is loaded, create consolidated files in the Media Composer. This will help improve playback performance by reducing load times. Now, return to your timeline. If playback is still choppy, toggle the render effects. Select Render Into Out to render any unprocessed effects in the sequence. Finally, for a smoother experience, you can use the Play with Lower Resolution option. This will allow for more fluid playback during editing. You are now set up for smooth timeline playback in Avid Media Composer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.